Ever dreamed of driving a Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Widebody without breaking the bank? What if I told you you could get the same stunning look and performance for a fraction of the cost? That's exactly what we did. We bought this 2015 Dodge Charger SXT for just $5,000 at an auction. And today, we're going to show you how we transformed it into a jaw-dropping SRT Hellcat Widebody using vicrez parts.
So what we're going to be going over today is what we've done to the Dodge Charger. One of the first things we've done so far is add this rear spoiler. Next, we went ahead and replaced the hood with our red-eye hood. Now we're wrapping our wide body front bumper, and as you can see, we've installed our wide body rims and our wide body wheels to go along with the wide body theme. And next we're going to be moving along to our fender flares. A couple things that we had to do to prep these is make sure we sand it down to get rid of any of the oils and make sure it's textured so the 3M tape can stick. And then afterwards, you want to clean it off with alcohol and make sure there's no dust or residue on top of it. Then next, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your 3M tape, you're going to peel the protective film off and immediately apply it so it sticks. Now that we have the protective cover peeled off the 3M tape, we are ready to apply. So here we have our wide body rear bumper, and as you can see, we've already removed our OEM bumper. So one thing we had to do before we got started with the rear bumper is retrieve the OEM sensors from the OEM bumper. Once you retrieve the OEM sensors, there will be indicators on the inside of the rear bumper where you need to drill and cut out holes for the OEM sensors. Another thing you're going to want to do before you install your wide body bumper is make sure you grab your original OEM flashers from your original bumper. So what we're going to do next is we're going to apply the wide body side skirts. Before you apply the wide body side skirts, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to apply these plastic white clips, and all you need to do is slide them into place. And for extra support, you can apply a layer of 3M tape to the top row to provide extra support. Now we're just finishing up wrapping the Dodge Charger so we can move on to our next project, which is the Grand Cherokee, which we're converting to the SRT. And over here is our other Dodge Charger. And as you can see, this one was previously a cop car. It was a state troopers.
If you're considering building a custom car, auctions are a goldmine. Look for vehicles with solid mechanical foundations, then use vicrez parts to handle the cosmetic and performance upgrades. Why pay full price for a new car when you can create something truly unique for a fraction of the cost? Start your transformation today with vicrez. Visit vicrez.com and explore the endless possibilities for your next project car. Vicrez, bringing your dream car within reach.